Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we will be discovering a magic AI tool that will allow you to make a whole video with just one click. Isn't it amazing? It has never been more easy to set up a faceless YouTube channel as it is now. So in this video, I'm going to uncover an incredible AI tool that can create completely viral videos in less than 5 minutes by only using one magic prompt. This will generate script, media, and voiceover and combine them perfectly with just one simple click. First and foremost, you have to select your niche. It could be anything. What performs best is health, finance, money, travel, and relationships. For this video, I am going to use the health niche. Once you have decided on your area of interest, it's time to generate a video idea. To do this, you can simply go to ChatGPT and give this prompt. Suggest interesting video ideas in whichever niche you want that can be produced by combining different stock footage available online. The ideas should be engaging and entertaining and will hook the audience to the video. Now replace the word niche with your respective area. In my case, it's health, and then hit enter. As you can see, ChatGPT has provided us with plenty of different ideas. You can choose any option from these given ideas, or you can research your niche by searching trending viral topics under your subject of interest on YouTube. Or you can simply ask ChatGPT to generate more possibilities for you. Now go through this and read carefully on which topic you want to create your first video. In my case, I am choosing this idea. Now it's time to reveal the magic tools. Open the invideo.io AI tool. I will drop the link down below in this description, so you can try it out completely free. You have to copy the prompt shown on the screen right now, or you can copy from the pinned comment. Once you are inside invideo.io, the interface will look like this, a box where you can input instructions to generate a video. This is super easy if you follow the steps with me. Let's copy the prompt and place it inside this. Now it's time to replace the instructions inside the brackets, with the first one being length. I will ask it to create a 5-minute long video, and the platform is YouTube. The next bracket is detailed explanation of video content. Here, just simply copy the topic that you have chosen from ChatGPT over here like this. The next part says, the video ought to contain points and narrative, which is where you will specify the format you want, either in the form of storytelling or educational format, or like a presentation. So I will write educational. The next part of the prompt will determine the general tone, and for that, I will choose adventurous. Next is the video goal is to educate people about different health topics. The voiceover should be a young American guy that is dynamically paced and employs sophisticated language. The next part includes a lot of, medium, or less stock footage. So here I will write a lot of stock footage. I show this because using a lot of stock footage will enhance our video. In the last area, type what kind of music you would like to include. I will add some classical music. This is the first way to create your very own AI-generated YouTube video. The second method is also super easy, so stay with me. Here, if you are finding this video useful, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It will help us to keep making helpful videos for you. Now for the second option. Sometimes we get super lazy to do all the things by ourselves. No worries. I am here to sort this out for you. Simply head over to ChatGPT and write this prompt. Using idea number, write the idea for which you want to generate your YouTube video. Change the information inside the brackets and hit enter. There you go. ChatGPT has filled up all the brackets with the idea that we have referred to and generated an even more detailed version of the prompt. Now your work is to paste this prompt to the invideo.io interface. As you can see, you can write up to 3,600 words. So the more detailed the prompt is, the more precise the video you will have. Either you will write the prompt manually, as we did previously, or you can let ChatGPT do it for you. In both cases, you will get good results. After giving the prompt, you will have these types of options. You can select whichever one you would like, as I am selecting for my video. The platform is YouTube. Now press continue. The invideo.io will make a complete video for you. Let's play the video and see how it turned out.
This seemingly simple question opens up an expansive world where green thumbs and healthy hearts coexist. Let's explore this intersection of gardening and health. Beyond the blooming flowers and the lush green.
Voila! As you can see, this AI tool has done all the work by itself. Isn't it amazing? Now, if you don't like anything in the video, or you want to edit it in any way, there are 3 methods to do that. The first method is simply to click on the regenerate button, and the invideo will regenerate the whole video for you. And don't worry if you don't like the newly generated one. The old one will stay saved. As you can see, it is here as number 1, with the new one as number 2, so you can choose either of these videos. The second way of editing a video is doing it manually. To do that, just go to this edit option at the bottom of the video and select it. It will give you 2 options, edit media and edit script. In the edit media mode, you can keep the footage you want in your video or change it. You can upload your own media if you want to change any footage just by selecting the upload media option, or you can search in their stock footage library. To do this, simply search the word in the media library. Now click on the footage you want to include, hit replace, and it will be replaced. Now, if you want to edit the script manually, you can select the edit script option, and it will take you to this type of window. Here you can change the script. If you want to add or delete something, you can simply do it over here. After finishing your editing, just select the Apply Changes option and your script is now edited to your liking. Super simple. There is an even easier method to edit your video, which we have been using since the revolution of AI, which is just tell AI what to do. Yes, it is that simple. You can see this input box over here. Just give the exact command you want to change in your video and it will do it for you. For example, if I tell it to say, "Hello and welcome to my channel," at the beginning of the video and click generate, it will do that for you. I am giving you all the secrets to making a successful YouTube channel, so like and subscribe to stay updated on new tips and tricks. After you are satisfied with your work, it's time to export your video. For that, click on the export option. Make sure you have selected the 1080p video setting and hit continue. Follow for more. Now let's see the result.
Your labor. Whether it's the first bloom of spring or the ripe tomatoes of summer, the results of your hard work are tangible, beautiful, and often delicious. Moreover, nurturing a plant from